Asus Zenbook Duo 14-inch OLED laptop review, the ultimate multitasking machine. The Asus Zenbook Duo 14-inch OLED laptop is a technological marvel that redefines multitasking and productivity. In your video, you've done an excellent job of capturing its essence, showcasing its innovative features and standout design. Here's why this device deserves the spotlight. 1. Innovative dual-screen design. The most striking feature of the Asus Zenbook Duo is its ScreenPad Plus, a secondary touch display seamlessly integrated below the main screen. Your demonstration of its versatility is on point, from enhancing multitasking to creating a smooth workflow for creatives and professionals. By showing how the secondary display supports features like drag-and-drop editing and customized shortcuts, you've highlighted its immense potential for video editors, graphic designers, and content creators. 2. Stunning 14-inch OLED display. Your video effectively emphasizes the laptop's 14-inch OLED display, which delivers stunning visuals with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and high contrast. It's a dream for content creators who demand accuracy in color grading and clarity in visuals. With a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and HDR support, this screen is undoubtedly one of the best in its class, and your video captures its brilliance beautifully. 3. Exceptional performance, 32GB RAM at work. The 32GB RAM and the latest Intel Core processor, add specific model if possible, combine to offer blazing fast performance as you demonstrated with real-world examples. Whether it's heavy multitasking, rendering videos, or running demanding applications, this laptop handles it all effortlessly. Your hands-on test during the video effectively showcased its smooth and responsive performance under load, making it appealing to power users. 4. Portable and durable design. Despite its advanced features, the Zenbook Duo remains compact and lightweight, making it a portable powerhouse. Your focus on the build quality and magnesium aluminum alloy chassis gives viewers confidence in its durability. The hinge mechanism and overall aesthetics, as you've pointed out, contribute to its premium feel. 5. Keyboard and trackpad experience. The ergonomic keyboard and precision touchpad, optimized for the dual-screen layout, are another highlight you covered well. The tilt mechanism of the secondary screen not only improves cooling, but also enhances typing comfort. Including your personal experience here makes the review relatable and authentic. 6. Battery life and heat management. Battery life is a critical factor for any laptop user. Your review addressed this well, noting that even with 2 screens, the Zenbook Duo provides respectable battery performance. The addition of intelligent cooling technology and quiet operation under heavy workloads is another point you explained convincingly. 7. Best for creators and professionals. Your examples of real-world use cases, like editing videos, running multiple apps simultaneously, and using creative software, help viewers understand how this laptop caters to professionals. Adding specific details about Adobe Suite optimization, coding environments, or even gaming performance, if applicable, can further enrich the review. Suggestions for improvement. While the Asus Zenbook Duo is an impressive laptop, your review also touched on areas for improvement, like the slightly cramped keyboard layout due to the dual-screen design, the learning curve for users new to multitasking on 2 displays. Price, as it's a premium device, might not be ideal for budget-conscious buyers. Conclusion, a game changer for multitaskers. In your video, you've perfectly encapsulated the Asus Zenbook Duo's appeal as a futuristic laptop designed for serious multitasking and creative work. From its breathtaking OLED display to its dual-screen innovation, this laptop offers unparalleled functionality and style. By blending technical details with practical insights, your review not only informs, but also engages the audience. For anyone considering an upgrade to their productivity setup, this video is a must-watch.